Hey guys, it's Daniel. Let's check out the latest in connected laptops, the Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G. This connected laptop is great for business professionals and hybrid work environments and has everything you need to stay productive. And with AT&T 5G, your Galaxy Book Go 5G will be next to unstoppable. Before we get started with this device, when you get your Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G, in the box you'll receive a SIM card for 5G network connectivity to keep you connected beyond Wi-Fi, and the SIM tray ejection pin, as well as the AC adapter and USB cable, the quick start guide, and terms and conditions. Check this out. The Galaxy Book Go 5G is super lightweight and durable. With its sturdy, shock-resistant design, it's ready for whatever you need it for, virtually anywhere. The Book Go 5G comes in the color silver that I have here. Taking a look around the laptop, you'll see it has a versatile wedge design that opens to a 180-degree hinge for improved ergonomics. It has plenty of ports for everything you need. To the right side is the SIM card tray. This is where you slide in the SIM ejection tool and place your 5G SIM for AT&T network connection. Next to that is a USB-C slot, a USB 3.2 slot, and the Kensington lock slot. Around the other side is another USB-C slot, headset jack with a 3.5mm connection, and the microSD card slot for expandable storage. Around the back are two stereo speakers. And as we flip the device open, here you have the camera, and the display is a 14-inch TFT HD. Galaxy Book Go 5G features an advanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2 5G compute platform that delivers a super responsive performance. The fanless design makes for a quieter, lighter laptop that minimizes heat while providing plenty of speed and power to help you breeze through your day. Whether you're on video calls or watching a movie, you can go cordless with its long-lasting battery. And you'll get a PC-grade experience with Windows 10 Home. The camera and audio tools on here help you look and sound your best on video calls. You can adjust camera brightness and the Micromove's background noise. And seamlessly switch from video to photo capture, where you can change your image quality and edit photos with the photo tools. There's also Screen Record, which is super helpful for capturing information. And you can expand your Galaxy ecosystem experience when you pair your Galaxy Buds, which I have here, or your Galaxy wearables, smartphone, or tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G, the new way to PC.
To learn more about AT&T, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos in the playlist seen here.